Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to abstract in experience abstraction in Roblox. If you're playing experience abstraction on Roblox and want to become abstracted, these are three main ways to trigger the transformation. To get started, you need to join experience abstraction on Roblox. In the top, there's this search. You need to type down experience abstraction and search for it. And over here, you can start playing. And over here, you can start playing. The first method is isolation, move away from other players and stay alone in a quiet area of the map. And the second method is darkness. Find a dark room or another area with very little light and stay there. Spending enough time in darkness will also reduce your sanity. And the third and fastest method is proximity. Find a player who has already become abstracted and stay close to them. Being near an abstracted player drains your sanity much more quickly than other methods. And after you've abstracted, your appearance changes into a dark creature with glowing multicolored eyes. And that is it. That's how you can abstract and experience abstraction on Roblox. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.